Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to observe the diagram and it has been given that the number which is at the center of the diagram is nothing but the summation of all the numbers which is present in the diagram except the number present at the center. So that is 62 will be equal to the summation of x, 3, 4x, 3, x and 2. So let's check, there are 4 numbers, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 6 numbers, and over here also we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's working great. So now we have to simply solve this, and from here we will get the values of x. So x plus 4x plus x will become 6x, and then we have 3 plus 3 which is 6, 6 plus 2 which is 8. So 6x plus 8 will be equal 62. So 6x will be equal 62 minus 8, which will be equals 54. Now in order to find the value of x, we have to divide both sides of the equality by 6. So 54 upon 6 will be equals 9. Therefore, x equals 9 will be our required final answer. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.